celery juice. I know a lot of you saw that video. You might be watching this video because you saw that one. One thing you might have noticed already. I did not grunt. Yes, I did not grunt. An achievement. Really? That should be plastered all over the walls.
Come on, get up if you're psyched as I am!
A lot of things have happened within those 6 months since I uploaded that video. And yeah, guys, I wanted to talk to you guys, you know? A lot of things have happened. Man, love story happened too.
Still isn't over.
You guys aren't gonna believe it. I went to Whole Foods one day, right? This was in LA before I moved here. I'm in Florida right now, but that's besides the point. I went to Whole Foods, you know? Just minding my own business. And then this random person just comes up to me. He's like, hey, can I take a picture next to the celery with you? Because you're the guy from the video? I was like, dude, I can't take a picture next to the celery. They're out of stock. Let's take it next to the cucumber. So we're taking a picture, right? I asked this friendly lady, hey, can you take this picture for this guy right here, for us too, you know? Because he's like a fan and he just, I don't know, he wants to take a picture. She takes the picture of us. Bam. But while she's taking the picture, I look at her, I'm like, dude, she was like beautiful, man. I looked at her eyes, I looked at her skin complexion. I was like, this girl juices. So I asked her, hey, do you juice vegetables? Vegetables, I can't even speak. It makes me nervous when I talk about her, man. I asked her, do you juice vegetables? And she's like, what do you think? I was like, damn, why you gotta give me an attitude? But anyway, I didn't really say that. It went like this. She's like, do you juice vegetables? She's like, yeah, I do. I was like, what kind of vegetables? She's like, cucumber juice. I was like, what? Cucumber juice? In my mind, I was like, I'm all about the celery, you know? I don't know about it. Like, she juices cucumber, I juice celery. I don't know if it's gonna work out, you know? But then she told me what kind of juicer she uses. And I know my juicers, you know? She's like, so I'll ask her, hey, this was the conversation. She's like, so, what kind of juicer do you use? She's like, I use a slow juicer. I was like, what? She uses a slow juicer? So she got some points right there, you know? Because after I uploaded my celery juice video, everybody was like, Bryan, why don't you use a slow juicer? I'm like, dude, man, I like my brother. Don't hate on it. Don't hate the player, hate the game, man. Come on. Anyway, that was the story. And blah, blah, blah. We broke up. And none of this really happened. Ha, fooled you guys. A lot of things have happened, guys. A lot of things have happened, but I think I need to take a seat. But before I do, I'm gonna have some of my green juice powder. It's the best one in the market. This isn't a sponsor because it's my own company, you know? So, you know what? A lot of people never add green juice powder to a green juice to give it more power. Well, I do. Look at that. How do we differentiate ourselves from other companies? Well, let me tell you guys. Did you know that the grand majority of green juice powders in the market aren't really juice powders? Bam! You gotta read the ingredients. We use alfalfa, barley, and wheatgrass. Juice powder. Make sure you read in the ingredients that it says juice powder, because if it doesn't say juice powder, they're not actually using juice. Go to www.myvidaorigins.com. Enter discount code MyVida10 to save 10% off. All right, let's continue with the story. So, I know you guys want to hear the rest of the story of why I left LA. Why am I in Florida now? You know what? That's a great question. I'm gonna tell you why. The paparazzi, man. Come on, man. They're all up in my grill, man. Like, I'm constantly, when I go to the grocery store, it's like they're there, just waiting for me to get out of the car. They're like, Bryan, why did you raise celery prices? It's your fault. Me? It's not my fault. It's everybody else copying my content, man. They really copied my content, man. Like, if you guys go onto YouTube, type in the title of that video, I tried celery juice for 7 days, this is what happened. Everybody copied that title. And I didn't know it was a challenge. I did not know that video was a challenge. I just did a video where I was like, hey, I'm gonna drink celery juice for 7 days, see what happens. Literally what the title said. But everybody made into a challenge. I'm like, dude, why can't you just drink vegetable juice without challenging yourself? Is it really that hard? that was kind of funny. Yeah, guys, I left Florida. It wasn't really because of the paparazzi or anything like that. I'm gonna get serious, guys.
You left California.
I left California, yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, what did I say?
I think you said you left Florida.
Oh, I left Florida?
Yeah.
Well, technically, I did leave Florida and I came back because I had to come here and look for an apartment. I'm confusing the heck out of you guys. Anyway, I'm gonna get serious with you guys of why I left LA. Before I moved to LA, my brother and I, we were like, hey, we're gonna test out LA for 2 years, see how it goes, and then we're gonna try out Miami. We originally flipped the coin. It was like heads for Miami, tails for LA. We got tails, so we went to LA. It was literally like that, guys. So now we're here in Miami. We're testing it out, and I'm gonna be here at least for like a little bit over a year. So far so good. I like it a lot, guys. I have to show you guys the farmers markets here, man. Or mainly one place. It's called Robert Is Here. That place has the best mangoes, man. So good. But the real reason why I left LA is because of I just said it.
The paparazzi.
It's not because of the paparazzi, man. But yeah, man. Just been busy with work. You guys, I just said it. You guys know that I run a company, so that takes a lot of my time. But I do have a video that's coming up, probably like in the next 10 days, 12 days, because I still have to shoot it. But I have everything that I need to record it, and I've been planning it out for a while because I was originally gonna shoot it in LA, but then the whole moving thing happened, and then you know how it is. I don't know if you guys have ever moved, but packing and like organizing everything and trying to transport everything cross country was a big hassle, man. Something I don't want to ever do again. Like if I were to ever move back to LA and I had to ship everything over there, I was like, I'll probably just sell everything and just like move, man. I don't want to. Moving sucks, man. Moving sucks, right?
Oh, it was stressful.
It was stressful. Yeah, man. I don't want to do that again. But all that stuff is over. So now I have this video that I really want to shoot that I know you guys are going to like and enjoy. So be on the lookout for that. I know in the past I've said, oh, stay tuned. I'm gonna record a video and upload it, and then you guys are gonna like it, and I never do anything. But this time it's like, I mean it from the bottom of my heart. Down there. Why is it the bottom of your heart? Why can't it be the top or the left or the right or the middle? I would say the middle of my heart because that's probably like where all the action is going on, right? In the middle? Yeah, man. Why in the bottom? I don't know. It doesn't make sense to me. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Hope you guys enjoy this, and I got nothing else to say. Florida's really nice, man. I'm liking the weather. Everybody's all about the humidity and everything, man. Humidity is fine, man. Try going to Cartagena, Colombia. Now that's hot. Peace out. I'll see you guys next time.